How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. I need to apologize. I am not feeling very good today, so I probably won't be doing as much of a voiceover, but I do have two rustic Valentine's DIYs for you, and they were a lot of fun to make, and I'm really excited because this is part of the Love Corner collab. It's with Miguel, Blissful Among Women, and many very talented creators. Of course, I will have the playlist listed below, and this is also a gift away. There's a $50 Amazon card as well as a bunch of different items, and I will talk about that a little bit more in detail as we move along. But to start off with, I got this heart at Michael's. I want to say it was like a dollar, maybe $1.20 something for the wooden heart, and I'm just gonna wrap it with this jute rope, and all the way inside. Wrap. I don't know how to explain it. You'll see. Um, and this is a really simple DIY. Okay, as I was mentioning, look at all these amazing creators, such wonderful, talented ladies, and of course Miguel. And I just am excited for you to see all their videos. So please go check all of them out. Make sure to listen for the secret word in everybody's video, and you'll need to comment in the comment section our secret word. So I'll give you mine here in just a little bit. All right, so moving back to DIY number one. I'm just, as you can see, it was really easy. It was something fun to do while you watch TV. Just wrap. And then I am going to wrap the side with a little bit of twine. And then really we're just going to make a cute bow and a beaded hanger.
I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, 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 she'll never know. Like cold November rain, like a man without a name, like a song without a refrain. That's how I feel without you. Like a door without a key, like a whale without the sea, like a hive without the bees. That's how I feel without you. But oh, how I miss being with you. without a friend. I don't know how else to explain.
Okay, so you can see I just used this Barcelona beige. I'm really liking that color. I think it's a new color from Plaid from Folk Art. Anyway, and used two different size beads and made just a simple hanger. And I'm just going to hot glue it to the back and put a little bit of ribbon, burlap ribbon, just for some security, and then cut off those ends. And that was really it. So I thought this one was super cute, really simple to do, very inexpensive, of course. And yeah, I really liked it. I hope you guys liked it too.
Pretending that nothing has changed. Ah, time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love in the sweet despair.
Okay, moving on to my second and final DIY. I got this sign on clearance from Michaels. It was originally $16.99, and I think it was 90% off. So I got it, for like $1.69. And anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna use this sign, and basically, well, you'll see. Sorry, I'm a little out of it, not feeling good. But I'm going to start off by painting the front of the sign with this beautiful paint by Melange. It's the vintage white color. Melange is a mineral paint, and I have quite a few of their colors. I really like it. Um, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to paint the front of this. I think it took 3 coats to give it a pretty good coverage. And then we're going to work on a heart, a galvanized heart, from Dollar Tree. And even though it's galvanized, it's very shiny and bright. I like to knock that down. And so I'm going to be using a medium gray from Folk Art, and another color from Folk Art called wrought iron. And that's going to really make it more rustic galvanized, I guess. But before we get to that, I did just take some jute rope here, and I'm going to just hot glue it around the border of the inside of the sign. So if you are new or coming over from this playlist, I just want to welcome you. My name is Mary Beth, and I'm really, really happy you are here. I like to do all different kinds of DIYs: rustic, farmhouse, shabby chic, boho, you name it. I like to try it and I like to do it. Dollar Tree, thrift flips are my favorite. So if you like that kind of content, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so, so, so grateful for you. And thank you so much for coming back. And if you guys could do me a favor and hit the like button, it really helps my channel, but it also helps other people see my content that may be interested in this type of video. So I really greatly appreciate that. All right, here we go. So just going to I ended up just using the medium gray and the wrought iron, going back and forth to get it the look that I wanted. And I just kind of went back and forth a few times with these two colors. And then after that, I'm going to just make a bow, but I'm also going to do a technique to the background of the sign where I'm just going to draw in some lines with a pencil, and then I'm going to smear that graphite, kind of to give it that wood, shiplap, I don't know, type wood look. And then I'm going to dry brush a little bit of Folk Art's milk jug paint on top of it. Here's where I'm going to do that. I'm going to start by just making some lines. It would have been a lot easier if I just had a normal ruler, because I finagled around with this piece. this, what are these called? I don't even know what they're called. L-shaped type ruler things. Contractor construction. I don't know. Would have been easier with just a regular ruler, but that's okay. I just wanted to make some lines. That's all. I think I did it around 2 inches apart. It really, to me, doesn't matter. It's just a rustic, you know, piece. So I like that because there's a lot of room for error and you would never know because you just trust it. You know what I mean? So yeah. Um, Boy, you guys, I'm kind of out of it. I'm so sorry. I don't feel good. So I'm just I really, really apologize. If you're new, oh my goodness, I'm so, so sorry. I don't always sound like this. Please go check out a different video of mine. Anyway, I want to let everybody know my secret word. My secret word is rustic. So make sure to leave a comment and use the word rustic so that you can be entered into the giveaway. It is for continental United States. We do apologize for that, but the shipping is extremely expensive. So, but yeah, and I just want to thank CJ, who really did a lot of work putting this collab together. And of course, Miguel, we thank you for being blissful amongst women. He's amazing. Definitely. If you're not subscribed, I'm sure you probably are, but go check him out. Go check out everybody in the playlist. We had a lot of fun putting this together, and I hope you guys are enjoying the playlist. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, so now, yeah, I'm just gonna attach the heart, and then I'm just gonna make a cute bow, and I believe that's it.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do.
All right, there it is. I thought it turned out so cute. Please let me know what you think of this one. I hope you guys like it. And again, playlist will be listed below. Go follow the playlist and listen for the secret word. And thank you so very much for your time today. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. We'll talk to everybody soon. Bye-bye.